Okay, Scorpio. I got Pisces and Cancers out, and I think I skipped you because I did a bonus read and I didn't want to skip you. So basically, I feel like you are definitely taking your time, shifting your perspective, because I feel like that there's decisions that choices or decisions that you have to make. Okay, I think you're walking away from any options that you have. And again, this may have come after betrayal with somebody in your past. But you are waiting for something. There is something that's coming towards you and you can feel it. Um, you're basically using your ingenuity factor. Again, you're taking your pain and you're creating, you're using it for power. Because you know that, you know, you're very creator, source, essence, balanced, okay? Let's just put it that way. But I really think that you're waiting for something. It could be something from your past. Again, you're using the ingenuity of taking like a heavy load, a burden, and you're creating something out of it. It adds to your foundation. It adds to the nature of Scorpio, who Scorpio is. And again, I know I read for phoenixes and eagles, you know. But yeah, you definitely are, you're feeling Scorpio's truth. The truth of who you are. And I believe you are definitely, yeah, you instinctually know, and your intuition, your discernment, all of your psychic gifts, Scorpio, Phoenixes, tell me that you're calling in your soulmate instinctually, because without a doubt, we don't chase. We pick. Just saying, Scorpio. Messages. That is your choice, your decision right there. That's your choice, your decision that you're making. That's what Spirit just said. You're shifting your perspective so that you can see the truth. And you're basically using your creator essence to build more power within your foundation. Yeah. Because you're pulling your person in. You're pulling your person in, Scorpio. That's what you're doing. Right here, we got it. Embrace your spirit. We've got an eagle out here, Scorpio. Embrace your spirit. Embrace who you are, the truth of who you are. Your spirit is like, you know, controls that avatar. Our bodies, which is, you know, to me, no more than a, you know, like going to a car, getting in it to go from here to there. It's how we travel around here, you know. See your messages. Yeah, embrace your spirit. Know you belong. Yeah, Scorpio, you have a problem with that. You just, you don't feel like you belong here sometimes, you know. Know your power. What did I tell you? Nurture all that you love. Don't strangle them with Scorpio. Nurture them. I'm putting this over here. And have courage. And shit, don't really tell a Scorpio anything about courage, because we've overcome so many obstacles and we've endured for long periods of time. Yeah, we have a confidence, definitely. We know how to take decisive action. We know when it's time for progression within our lives. Absolutely. We know what rules us is our hearts. Be patient, Scorpio. Don't make any rash decisions. Yeah. I thought I just did. Huh? I get that one. That's a good message. Okay. Let's go ahead. Spirits decided the cards were going to go this way. So I do want to see, and that's universal messages, by the way. I just want to see your energies, the energies that you share with others, if you're sharing energies with anybody, because, you know, I have a hard time with that too, or the energies that people are perceiving that's at the surface of you, your surface energies. You're divinely guarded and guided right now at this point in time, Scorpio. Yeah, because you're embracing your spirit. You're embracing the truth and the nature of who you truly are as a phoenix, as an eagle. Yeah. Now you belong because, baby, you're going to hit success. You're going through that door of success. Know your power. This is your foundation. You know your power, Scorpio. It's in your heart. Your seat may be the root, but, yeah, it's in your heart. Yep. Know your power because you know what guards you and guides you. You know what guards you. You know how protected you are. You know your ancestors by name. Huh. You know the angels by name. You know what guards you. You need to see a little bit more of, I know Scorpio doesn't see doors. I know I've walked into a few sometimes. Yeah, actually we don't see doors. We do see expansion. When we see anything, we see expansion because we look from the center of our heart. Not that we don't go deep. We go very, very deep. But we do look from the center of our heart. And don't tell me we don't. We do. And we don't see doors there. So I feel like that your nurturing phase to all that you love is expanding. You're opening up more. You're expanding your love a little farther. Maybe it's looking at the things that you feel that are unlovable within yourself. You know? And you're nurturing that so you can love that. You're nurturing your love. You're nurturing all that you love. Even the things that is within you. Spirit's saying the things that are within you that you really don't love about yourself. Nurture it and love it. Because it's a hurt child. Absolutely. Again, you're ascending. You're always ascending. You're on this ascension path. You know, we rise from our ashes. We're continually ascending, okay? And this is what helps you. I mean, this is an overcomer. This is someone that knows how to endure obstacles. They know how to get around obstacles. They know how to use ingenuity. They know how to endure everything. This is an overcomer. This is the heart center. I always am confident. I always need to make decisive actions from my heart. that progresses me on, ascends me higher, sends me to a higher ascension, okay? Just, you know, keep a check on your health. Yeah, you're supported by the divine, but yeah. Any stomach issues or like things like that right now, Scorpio. Okay, let's see the underlying energies that are driving these energies to the surface. Yeah, because you're stable, you're solid, like I said you were. You're stable in who you are. Know you belong. Know this is home. Know this is your home. I feel like your pinnacles are guarded, divinely guarded, and guided to the right place to sow it, you know, in correct soil. Yeah, because you're definitely going through the door to success. Again, you know that you belong. Know this is home. Know it's okay to be in your heart, to flow from your heart. If that's where home is to you, you know, it's okay. Know your power. Yeah, know your power. Again, keep the door to romance open, but don't just let anybody, you know, try to pick that lock. Because there's one key that goes to that heart, and you know that. You know that, Scorpio. Yeah, you're loving yourself. You had yourself blocked off for a while when you all that you really ever wanted was your Happyville. Yeah. It's what you're on the temple path. You know it. This is a spiritual path. And it's time for you to go, Scorpio. Again, they're really heavy on the patience. So you could be getting impatient because you have been shifting your perspective. You have decisions and or choices, and you're getting impatient. You're just getting impatient. Maybe the choices or the decisions haven't been made to come to you yet. I don't know. We shall see, though. Let's go ahead and and my voice absolutely is effect. It's because again, weather changing, and it's warm and then it's cold and then it's warm, and it really is an illusion kind of cast, because you go out the door thinking, sun's shining, and it's like 38 degrees. It's spring, and that's what it's doing, you know. It's slowly changing. Absolutely. We have the sun out here. Again, the sun is telling me that you could be very well healing, but the sun doesn't really show me that. It's what the sun shows me is a rebirth. It also shows me of your energy, you know. Again, you are definitely, I feel like the divine has your back all the way. People see that within you. You glow. Okay, you glow, Scorpio. But I know that this is something that makes you very happy, makes you very joyful, and there could be a rebirth of something right around the corner. Let me see this. And of course, Scorpio, what do you do? Because this is the thing. The Scorpions, you know, are basically earth-based. And then you have your eagle, which is air-based. Scorpion's really the elementals, but, and you have your air base within you, your eagle, and then you have your fire within you. Yeah, pretty much. You a star, baby. When I see the sun, I see a phoenix. I see somebody rebirthing, rising up from their ashes, you know. It's just what I see. Yeah. Because you have security. You have foundation. You like security. You like things being a little secure. We know this. I'm not going to deny that. Absolutely. Again, leaving the door of romance open, because all that you really wanted to begin with, once you truly loved yourself and seen, was your Happyville. And there we got it again, your Happyville. We've got 2 rainbows here. Rainbows tells me there's a promise, okay? There's a promise. Yeah, you're definitely, no, this goes here. You definitely, I feel, carry a lot of wounds. You're an overcomer. You definitely overcame a few things in your life. You do carry a lot of scars. And I feel like, again, that you, again, what did I say? This is like the, you know, the door being there. Basically, you have to love the things within you that you didn't feel was lovable. And it was those wounds, you know, those scars. Scars, leave alone. They're scars, you know, but wounds you do have to heal. You've definitely overcame a lot. Abandonment. A lot of wounds, a lot of scars from abandonment. Time to go. Let me see this. Yep. Time for a new beginning, because you planted that seed and you're definitely getting that harvest. You're getting a strong foundation. You're beginning to see it. Let me see the sun. Multitasking. Yep, that's Scorpio. We'll go ahead and rise from our ashes, and yeah, while we go over here and take care of our bills, and yeah, absolutely. You have had an emotional loss, and that's why you like security. And of course, I mean, it was a big emotional loss. I mean, you cried yourself a river. Yeah. You tried to turn your back on this, but it didn't take place. You couldn't do it. You turned your back on the outside world, though, for a while. Absolutely. 10 of Cups. Let me see the 10 of Cups for Scorpio. 10 of Cups. Yeah. Again, you do like security. You like things balanced, solid, stable, grounded. Something that soothes you. It soothes you to be this way. You know, even if it's within yourself, absolutely. You very well, you know, you like who you are. You like your soothing nature. You know that you're secure within yourself. Yourself itself is secure. Yeah, what did I tell you the wounds come from? Yep, you've been wounded. You've really been through it. Again, that's what you're healing within you. I feel like, it could even be childhood wounds. This doesn't have to be an entanglement of 3. This is a broken heart at least 3 times, which, leads you to the entanglement of 3. But when you get cut so deep, that's the depth of your soul. The core center of your soul, of course, is your heart. When that pain goes that deep, you do have a tendency to, this is somebody that knows how to fight back, but you do have a tendency to begin to heal those wounds. I mean, you don't want them to kill you, right? You've heard of people dying in broken hearts. It happens. Yep, this is something you've learned a lesson from, without a doubt. This taught you a lesson, but it also made you find what you truly wanted, your wish fulfillment. I feel like you'd take an action towards your wish fulfillment. Okay, let me see this. Let me see the Page of Pentacles. This is following your spirit, too. Letting spirit lead you and guide you. Yeah. Slow, slow, slow. You're slowly, growing. Evolving. Because this is your foundation. What did I say? Even burdens. No, you pick those puppies up and you build yourself a solid foundation. You learn out of every single thing that happens to you. This is a scorpion. This is a phoenix. This is an eagle. This is what you do. This is why you keep rising. Take your time with it. You know how to sow correctly. Yeah, this goes here. Sorry. Again, this is something this is something you're thinking about, reminiscing about. Again, this is you deciding what to do. You making decisions, but you're getting a little impatient. Because overall, I think that you're building something. Or you built something with someone from the past. And you'd like to continue building it. Yeah, what did I say? On the bottom of the deck, it's literally showing me the fact that you've been carrying some burdens. But look, you're making a beautiful bouquet. You might be slumped over, that might be heavy, but you can create out of that burden. You can make something, you can take nothing and make something from it. You understand your creator source essence within you. Okay, let's try these. We're going to keep on trying them till I get them to where I need them to be. This is my Starman deck. I love Bowie, but this deck does not like to flip over on me all the time. See, it'll fly, but it won't flip. Yeah. Right now, you're just, you're emotionally, like, distressed, emptied. Like, your emotions are, like, right now, like, ugh. I know, went kiting and, yeah, it just didn't feel the same. Huh. Okay, let me see this. Times, they are changing. Time is going to be no more. time runs out. We're not taking all them. So you need to flip them over for me. That would be nice of you. I'd appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. There was a lot of tears. The both of you have been through some H, and I'm saying the both of you because this Two of Swords is telling me, again, you did, I mean, you literally had a broken heart. Your soul felt crushed. You had a Cry Me a River party. You were completely out of all your emotions. You were empty. This is how you empty yourself out over that overload. Because you do want a new beginning, a rebirth with the one that you think is yours, your equal. Yeah. Again, this is someone that you definitely, you just feel that power connection with. There's a lot of hope and healing that, again, is taking place, I think, with you, especially Scorpio, because I said you were healing. But there's hope of a rebirth here. And baby, you definitely are the star. This could be somebody that, yeah, definitely does some esoteric work of some kind. You know, definitely an elemental. I don't care, I always feel elemental with the star. This is Aquarius. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely, yeah, you do. You want that Happyville. That's all you wanted. That's what Spirit said. And there is going to be a commitment. Okay? Oh, they flipped them over, so I have to take them. Yeah, we have a King of Wands out here, Scorpio, telling me that you have learned your lessons. You may have been abandoned by this person. And now you're calling in your true wish fulfillment. And, you know, it could very well be a fire sign that you're calling in. Let me see. Sorry, didn't finish this. Spirit said it went over there. Definitely a commitment with a King of Wands. Somebody that definitely has a lot of passion and desire for you. They're determined. They're moving towards you. Because, yeah, they're wanting to build. Right here it is. They're wanting to build. They know this is definitely foundational. They're wanting to build. Okay. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, you definitely, Scorpio, you've learned a few lessons in life. And you are sending your intentions out there for your wish fulfillment. And your wish fulfillment is a resurrection of something. It's a connection, okay? Yeah, because there definitely was indecisions that caused a heartbreak. Indecisions, no choices really being made. Leaving someone out in the cold. Yeah. Definitely standing your ground. This is almost like the king's finest knight. The Nine of Wands that he sends into battle. Yeah, that's how I feel the Nine of Wands. It's like, yeah, this person doesn't know how to give up. They fight till, it's done. Yeah, Three of Wands. Definitely, again, this is somebody that they're waiting. And they could be waiting for you, Scorpio. Let me see this. Yeah, because this is a fresh start. This is starting all over from scratch. You may have also been waiting a while. Maybe there's news of a pregnancy, Scorpio, or the fact of fertility, This is a Princess of Pentacles. This is fertility. Again, you don't have much, but you know how to make everything happen. Again, what did I say? You're getting rid of all your options. You're focusing on your person. You're walking away from all options, focusing on your person. Because they are your wish fulfillment. Yeah, it's that simple. Let's go ahead and confirm and clarify. Yeah. Confirmation or clarification, please. Flip them over. You know how I like them. They come after the Starman deck, and they try to pull the same, and they know they're good. Again, yeah, you can't, well, no, this goes up here. Okay, yeah, emotional distress over betrayal, but this betrayal didn't hit you as hard as it was supposed to hit you. In fact, it barely bought the blood, so quit crying, baby, because you just got a little snip. You just got a little snip. Nothing you can't handle or deal with. Absolutely. Because I feel like that there's definitely somebody's trying to bring out, again, a reconciliation, a new beginning. Because they've seen past all the obstacles and illusions. And, yeah, this is hope and healing. Time to make up. Hope and healing within a connection, Scorpio. It's not going to resonate with every single Scorpio out there, but it is your reading, whoever it belongs to. Okay, let me see. Again, I read as Spirit leads. Yeah, as I said, your person's wanting to build with you, Scorpio. Because there's been, there could have been some violence. I mean, we do have somebody up here with a lot of scars, a lot of wounds. You may have been through a little bit of violence in your life, Scorpio, but again, Scorpios, yeah, this caused your resurrection. And I feel like that you wanted to resurrect a connection, literally, after something happened to you that was very damaging. You called resurrection back on something you couldn't. You know, even daydreams, you know, what's that song? Daydreams about night things in the middle of the afternoon. I kind of feel like that might be what's going on there. Yeah, because people don't see what you have. They really do underestimate you because you do keep that light hidden sometimes, Scorpio. Absolutely. People always underestimate you. You get wounded, but you bounce back. You're kind of like Rubbermaid there. Absolutely. Because you're gifted. And yeah, this is, in this Fantastical Creatures, that Queen of Wands is a drastic change. She's a drastic change queen. And that's what a phoenix does, a drastic change. So you've drastically changed because you most definitely want your wish fulfillment. Yes, you are emotionally guarded right now at this point in time because you have pulled yourself up out of a lot of toxicity. And yeah, we have somebody sitting here that actually has a lot of desire and passion for you, that would pretty much is wanting to pursue you. But they're still seated. They're not moving. Okay? They wanted to go back. Yeah, okay. This is why your heart was so broken. This was the person that you loved that betrayed you, but yeah, it didn't. And you seen past all the obstacles and illusions, and you did move forward, which tells me you released this. You move forward. But you seen past the obstacles and all the obstacles, everything, and there is going to be a celebration. Let me see the celebration. Celebration is going to be the fact that you're gaining wisdom on something. You basically, yeah, you got yourself hard working, hard thinking, being very patient with thyself, maybe over analytical at times, maybe, just maybe. I know, Scorpio, you done thought this thing through. You're using your wisdom, absolutely. Because very much, Scorpio, you know who you are. You know your self-worth. You know you're ready to receive love. Because you're in a very creative, loving mood right now. And again, you know that you carry the source of creation within you. You know how to make things grow. You know how to open up to expansion as well. Yeah. Because you always carry that star with you. That essence of who you are. You're a star and you know it. You rock, Scorpio. You really do, and you know it. Absolutely. You are making steady progress. It's weird how Spirit led that way. But, hey, that's why I let Spirit lead. Okay, let's clean it up. Clean it up for Scorpio. Yes, Scorpio. Definitely. There is someone coming towards you. Someone that definitely needs your wish fulfillment, which I think you may know. I'm just kidding. You know. Okay, let me see this hope. Let me see this healing, this hope, this success. The fact that you are definitely a rock star there. Absolutely you are. Yeah. There is an apology coming in. There isn't a wish fulfillment. Okay, wishful. Let me see. Let me see over here. Clean it up for me. Okay, Mafik wants to speak. Yep, a message, Scorpio. You're going to be receiving a message from a divine masculine. It is very territorial. They're telling me go over here, your faith. They may consider you lucky. I call it, you know, that you just believe. And believing is faith. Faith is hope. And it's all love, baby. Yep, about a transformation. A divine masculine has definitely been transforming, finding that unconditional love within him. This has brought a change in his fortune. This has brought him some good fortune. Yeah. Because things have been hidden from him. And you notice them fish look like they're grieving. Because I think the dive come due to grief. Yeah, things are clearing up. Them clouds are dispersing. Seeing the truth, seeing everything that was hidden causes a joyful communication. The grief is in the heart because there's unconditional love in this connection. And somebody has definitely walked away from something and nailed the lid shut. Okay? This coffin is to be no more. So there was definitely a big end to a big, long cycle. Don't know where that goes, Spirit. Just wanted you to know, okay? This connection that I feel like you're calling in, it says you are, is definitely heart anchored. It's heart anchored. This is a connection, again, that you got the Two of Cups out of here. I'm sorry, those are my equals, okay? Right there, those and the Six of Cups. Generally equals. Now, I'm going to go ahead and throw you some romance out on this. And see the time, oh my. And then I'm going to have to let you all go. Tarot is the only thing I require to turn over. Oracle cards don't have to. Thank you. You know this is the one or you wouldn't be dealing with them. And there has to be a lot of learning to forgive within this connection. Okay? Yeah. Because in the past, there's going to be a bouquet of I'm sorry. Because this person wasn't into love at all. They were into basically, you know, just partners. Not a relationship. A hookup. Okay? But remember to always love yourself first, Scorpio. That is the first requirement. One more, two more. Give me two more. 2 more. Thank you. It's been worth waiting for. You're getting your wishes fulfilled. Let your friends help, and I'm glad another one shot out because, you may, Scorpio, some of you may, but I'm not like that. Because that's like going and getting support. So you have to tell them all of your business that they'll want to know, and it's like, no, you know, don't do that. Oh, okay, let your friends help. And Scorpio is not real good with that either. Let your friends help you with finances and career if you're having a hard time right now. This here just tells me this is very much to me, what Spirit is saying. This is a connection that is very pure, very innocent. This is an equal connection, a sacred, equal connection. There's a difference. So, yeah, that's my read for you, Scorpio. I know I did a bonus read, but sorry I skipped you within the waters read, and I think I uploaded Aries already. So, when you get this, again, if it resonated with you whatsoever, give me a thumbs up. You know, if you feel inclined, please subscribe. And be safe. Take care of yourself. I'll see you when I see you. Until then, again, be kind to one another and know you're very, very loved.